Ethernet ports allow laptops to connect directly into wired network. While Ethernet ports are becoming less common on laptops due to the proliferation of Wi-Fi, a wired connection via Ethernet is still the most reliable way to connect to high-speed Ethernet. In areas where wireless signals may be weaker, Ethernet allows you to overcome this through a direct connection. Today's Ethernet is also known as Gigabit Ethernet, meaning the connection speeds are rated at 1 gigabit per second or higher.
Battery is a hardware component that gives power supply for the laptop. The battery enables the device to work and function without direct power source for several hours depending on how much power it requires. There are three types of batteries commonly used for laptops: nickel metal, nickel cadmium, or lithium ion. Most laptop batteries can be found on the bottom of the laptop along the back. Some devices, you can slide and hold the battery to release from the latch.
A computer hard drive or a hard disk or HDD is one kind of technology that stores the operating system, applications, and data files such as documents, pictures, and music that your computer uses. The rest of the components in your computer work together to show you the application and files stored on your hard drive.
RAM allows your computer to perform any of its everyday tasks, such as using applications, browsing the web, or playing online games. Memory also allows you to switch quickly among these tasks, remembering where you are in one task when you switch to another. So the more memory you have, the better performing device you have.
A wireless chipset is a piece of internal hardware designed to allow a laptop to communicate with another wireless-enabled device such as a router. The most common type of wireless chipset used in a laptop is a WLAN card with 802.11g wireless technology, which allows up to 54 megabits per second of connection.
Keyboard is an input device used to enter characters and function into the computer system by pressing the buttons or keys. Various keys found on the keyboards include typing alphanumeric keys, control keys, function keys, navigation keys, and numeric keys. The most widely used layout in English language is QWERTY, named after the first 6 letters on the upper row of the keyboard. Touchpad is also known as trackpad. It is a flat control surface used to move the cursor and perform other functions on a computer. Touchpads are commonly found on laptops and replace the functionality of a mouse. By sliding your fingertip along the surface, you can move the cursor on the screen. Similar to a mouse, touchpads can detect acceleration as well as linear motion. Some touchpads have 2 buttons below them, which correspond to the left click and right click.
An optical disk drive in a computer system allows you to use CDs, DVDs, and Blu-ray discs to listen to music or watch a movie. Most drives also allow you to write data to a disk, so you can create your own music CDs, video DVDs, or even create a backup of your important data files.
Motherboard, a printed circuit board containing the principal component of a computer or other device with connector into which other circuit board can be slotted.
Cooling system is either a passive or an active system that regulates the heat generated by the laptop. The reason why cooling system is needed to be built in the laptop to maintain an optimal performance of the device and protect the device from overheating. It is important for laptops to have a cooling pad or system that helps the device flow cool air within, keeping the laptop cool all the time.
The Central Processing Unit, or CPU, is the primary component of a computer that acts as its control center. The CPU, also referred to as the central or main processor, is a complex set of electronic circuitry that runs the machine's operating system and apps. The CPU performs basic arithmetic, logic, controlling, and input-output operations specified by instructions in the program. Most modern CPUs are implemented on integrated circuit or IC microprocessors with one or more CPUs on a single IC chip.
A liquid crystal display (LCD) is a flat panel display or other electronically modulated optical device that uses the light modulating properties of liquid crystals combined with polarizers. Liquid crystals do not emit light directly, but instead use a backlight or reflector to produce images in color or monochrome. Flat flexible cable, or FFC, refers to any variety of electrical cable that is both flat and flexible with flat solid conductors.